Yes, this is not the first time I'm making a video about Artok. So Artok is going to be listing now on maybe early next year, January, February, or March. So you're not minding this update, so you have to start it. You have to start it right now. So if you have been a person watching this my video before, you have know what you have to do. But if this is your first time of watching my video, what you just have to do here is for you to just be claiming. When you first enter the app, it will bring something like claim here. You are just going to click on claim. So in the next 3 hours, it's going to bring it again. So you just have to keep claiming. Already claimed. So in the next 3 hours, 43 minutes, it's going to ask me to claim again. So after that, you have to watch their video. So let me just watch one of their video. They will ask you to watch a video, maybe like 30 seconds, and they will ask you a question. So they'll give you a reward. So let us just watch one. So the video is done. So you just have to click on, after the video is done, click on this icon, continue. So this is the question the team is asking. What brand of the car what brand is the car model? So with the logo you have know that it is Ferrari. So you are just going to click on confirm, and boom, you have been given 5 talk. So that's what you just have to do right there. You can see Milo. You just have to watch the video and answer the question they ask you. You can see, I currently have $35 there right now. So I'm going to advise you guys to not, for now, you guys to not withdraw it because at let me go and check at trust wallet. So this is my trust wallet. So to bring out your Artok here, I want to show you something in this trust wallet. To bring out your Artok, if you are a person that wants to deposit, maybe you want to deposit your Artok to your trust wallet, what you just have to do is come to this icon here, this search icon. After there, come to this on network. Sorry, it's not here. You come to this icon here. There's a place going to okay. Yes, this icon. You click on manage. Then this plus icon here, you click on it. Then you change this Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. Then you paste their contact address, which I'm going to drop in my WhatsApp channel and also in the comment section. So then you click on import, then done. So this is it. So what I don't want to bring out here in Trust Wallet, the in Artok, in Artok, the price showing here is $35. But if you transfer it to your Trust Wallet, it's going to be showing maybe $1 or $2. So what you just have to do, I would just advise you guys to just wait and hold on for the listing price. Artok is telling us in their app that their price is $35, but in external exchange and other and with other, the price is very low. So if you want to sell it, you can sell it, you can swap it, maybe if you need money or you want to do anything. But I would just advise you to just keep it. If you have any issue with transfer it before, they have fixed their issue now, so you can just transfer it to your trust wallet. And if you don't know how to sell it, you can easily transfer it to me and I'll help you to sell it. So there are not much thing I want to say about this video. So if you know you just want to join, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section, and I'm also going to drop my WhatsApp channel for other updates like daily updates you can run. And please like and subscribe for more video like this.